Amazon light sale. All that and more in this video. Okay, so I'm Riley from HammerSport Marketing. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can configure your Plesk web hosting server on Amazon light sale for 40 bucks a month, 50 bucks a month, 10 bucks a month, whatever you want to set the price at. So I was live about 5 minutes ago trying to figure this out using Amazon's virtual computer instances, right? They call it EC2. And once again, that was not very easy for me, so you can go back and watch that video and see me struggling through it. But it took me about 5 minutes to figure out that was not the best solution in terms of infrastructure. And actually, Plesk already had documentation on how to get running on Amazon light sale with one-click installations. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that, how you can get up and running in less than 5 minutes, and we're going to get started. Here's a screen share. Let me minimize this. Okay, so right now I'm just creating my,
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
That's our Alexa.
Please try a little later.
Right now I'm just creating a database for our Plesk to connect to. I'm going to call this Plesk database MySQL. And this is actually, let's see, what do we need? We don't need that much. Probably, we'll stick here. 1 gig, 1 vCPU. I'll choose this actually. Okay, and we're gonna make it highly available database. Specify login credentials. This is going to be root. And they're going to create a password for me. Master database name, database master, veteran, hosting. Okay, we got to start over. I just clicked off of it. So it's going to be root, veteran hosting. By the way, this interface is like so much better than the other one I was looking at in the last video. And this is going to be the Plesk DB1. And I think we should be good on that. Create it. So I just created our Plesk server. Let's see if that'll work. It's still creating it. Yeah, that's the database. Okay, so this is running. Now we should be able to connect, and everything is much easier. Login failed. Try again in a minute or two. So we're going to go back here, installing Plesk on Amazon light sale. Access the instance command line using light sale browser-based SSH client. We've got to run this command. So we're going to head into the SSH. I was looking for something like this on the other one, and it just was not working. We might need to manage this real quick. It's running. Let's see if it's up. Okay, so we're up. Make sure you connect to the Plesk panel. Go to Amazon Light Sale Home, under Firewall, click Add Another, and specify the following ports. Okay, so we need to specify these ports. And I want to switch that around. So we'll go to Networking. And right now we have, under Firewall, click Add Another. We got to go into Custom. It's going to be 53. UDP, so 5.3. Add another. Does this show DNS? There we go. DNS TCP 5.3, and then we'll do another DNS UDP, and we got 8443 for TCP. 'Cause 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 'c If we do all, nah. So we'll do custom on this one because I don't want to do all of those. TCP, and then we'll do 8443. So this is our general Plesk login, how most people access their interfaces. And then we'll do 8447 for the installer. And we don't need to do load balancing right now. How do I save this? Save. Okay, so we just added some firewall rules to our Plesk. We should be able to log in now. Let's see, connect, SSH. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're in. This is a lot easier than what we saw before. So this is just basic Plesk administrator login, control panel, ready to go. Start working on Plesk. You need to allow this Plesk through Lightsail Firewall. We already did this, added this in. So now we just need to do the Plesk login. And what we're gonna do is go back here. There was a special code we needed, and we're gonna paste that. So let's see. You can change this message by root one-time login. And let's see, did anything happen? I see a secret. I don't see anything else. Okay, so it's a one-time login link will be generated. All right, that's this login link right here. If you're watching this live, don't use this link because it's only a one-time link. Come on. Man, I'll tell you what, we got a lot of work to do. Okay, so we're gonna go to it. I don't want to use it on this though. Are we, oh geez. Oh, okay. I thought I was still in my compute instance, but I guess not. So we're doing this SSH in the browser, which is pretty cool. And here's our typical unsafe access page. And now we can do our Plesk administrative login. Okay, so admin, this is going to change, Riley Seberg. As you can see, I've done this a lot of times before. And the password. Okay, so that's it. We're in. Now what we got to do is we're going to get in here and put Docker on, and then we're going to set up our Gatsby content management system. So we're going to wait, and I'm going to probably pause this video and come on and make a new one. So depending on how long it takes. Let's see, where are we? We're right here. It's initializing. Refresh. Still initializing. Let's see. Okay, so that's how you get your Plesk server going up on Amazon Lightsail. As you can see, it's like pretty easy, pretty clean, real like one-click push buttons. And I'll be honest with you, my head is just feeling so much better. And actually, Plesk just initialized, so we can head on in over there. And here we are. So it's asking us to add a domain, and let's see. We're going to add a domain. We call it Veteran Hosting. And this is actually going to be our Plesk domain, our main one. So this is Veteran Host, and we'll just let it generate a password. So it looks like there's some stuff that we don't have access to. I'm kind of curious as to why that is. But we're going to head on over to Docker. Oh, there we go. Okay. And I'm not going to change that because I still have Plesk running on a different server, but we're going to add another domain real quick. Add domain. And this is going to be for my blog. And we're going to create a new one, call it Riley's blog, and let it generate a password. We don't need to enable it. Actually, we probably should, but that's going to pull from a Git, and we don't want that. I'm going to show you guys how to push this, how to put your Ghost CMS on this without pulling from Git. I think that'll be good for you guys because I need it too. So we're going to go into Docker. And actually, first, before we do this, we need to create a file system for our Ghost management system. So we're going to head on over to File Manager, and we're going to go to the home directory, the root directory, and create a new one that is not publicly available. And so this is going to be Ghost. And now what we're going to be able to do is head on over to Docker, and it's going to make it a lot easier for configuring our directories, our Ghost CMS. Okay, so here you see right here, there's a bunch of different ones. I recommend taking the one with the most stars and just running it. So it's going to download for a little bit. Actually, I think while we're here, I'm going to reroute to this IP address for Riley Seberg, so it'll work. So I really like Google Cloud's DNS, so I don't think I'm going to change this. I got to log into a different account. I really like their DNS, like I really like it. Use another account. It's super simple and it's really fast. And you know, I think until Amazon figures out, it looks like they have some type of React interface, which is like awesome. React or Node something. On AWS on that light sail. It's completely different than the EC2. And so now we're in, and I'm just going to edit this DNS real quick. Cloud. I'm going to my website. No, that's the wrong one. Let's see. Right, let's see. Here we go. And we're just going to edit this IP. Real quick, like. Save. And in a couple minutes it should redirect. So we are back in our Plesk interface. I love that Plesk is running ads on Plesk. And we are going to keep our container name as Ghost. We're going to do automatic start, and we're going to disable automatic port mapping. This is going to be 3307, I think. 3307. Let me just double check. Veteran Hosting's already set this up on a different server. It's on Google Cloud, and it's not fun on Google Cloud. Okay, so let's see. Docker. No items. Where'd it go? Oh, you know what? Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, so we're actually just going to do Plesk and go to this guy's tutorial. Because he tells us what to open, what port. That's what we're looking for. Come on, homie. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so the port 32769. Okay, that was close. And this is going to be var live ghost content. Var live ghost content. And this is going to be www.var/rileyseberg.com/ghost. I think it's var www. Yeah, it is. rileyseberg.com/ghost. Well, if we look right here, he did the same thing. And I think we might be good. We got our mapping. Oh, we got to add the variable. So this would be domain. It'll be RileySeaver.com. It should port pretty much automatically. My dog's out there barking at nothing. He's upset. So this is an update. Yeah, so it's gonna be URL. URL. I'll be honest, I'm not sure how many of this key stuff like really matters, but we're just gonna set it up. Must be absolute. Okay, so looks like we're good. I think this is gonna port over. And the container started up. Oh, I don't know if we have Node installed yet. Let's see. Websites and domains. If we don't, we'll just put it on. Not a big deal. Yeah, we don't have it in here yet. Okay, so extensions. We're gonna put Node on here so it'll work. Node. Where's Node? Oh, there's Ruby. There's Node. And so you have to use Node. Ghost is it's a JavaScript internal server. So you need Node to work. And Plesk has Node, but let's see, something happened. Let's try it again. Just it might have given it to us. Maybe not. Where is it? I'll just type it in again. It says it's open. I don't know where it went. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to here. Check Docker actually. It says it's stopped. We'll start it up. URL config must be provided with protocol. I think I might need to settings. Let's go to files. See if it's in here. Ghost, nothing. Okay, so it's always a little bit different, man. It's kind of crazy how nothing runs exactly the same as you think it would. I know it's a Node problem because Node just screwed up when we were trying to install it. So I think I'm going to uninstall Node and try to do it again. I've been having a lot of problems with Node lately. I don't know if you guys have too, but maybe it's just me. My extensions. And we're going to remove it. Try to do it again. So here's another install. Open. Yeah, dude, what the fuck? I might have to restart it. Oh, here we go. Get it free. Don't screw up this time. Might have to go through the back end instead of this little marketplace. Yeah, I think we do. So just double check, see if it's in here. I'm gonna delete this out, and then what we're gonna do is go into tools and settings, and we'll do updates and upgrades, and we're gonna check to see if it's enabled in the back end. So I'm gonna come back on when I have this set up, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. I don't want to waste your time. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. And if you're interested in learning more about stuff like this, if you would like to get some help, maybe you have a website that's kind of broken, it's not working well, you know, Who knows? If you have any questions, just send me an email, riley@hammersportmarketing.com, and I'll be sure to answer whatever I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon.